back. Hey, Teacher Francisco. Hello. Long time no see here.
Long time no see, Ana Maria.
What are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
Fine.
What about the others?
I have no idea.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Teacher, why don't we get together or to remind our moments in class?
Wow, that would be amazing. So let's do it.
Bye, teacher.
Okay, bye.
Where, Camila? And you? How are you?
Well, the reading matter project. It's a little difficult, but it's okay.
Hey ladies, hello.
Hi, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm great. And you?
I'm okay. And Gabriela, is she coming?
Yes, she already wrote to me. She's on her way.
Okay, perfect. Let's wait.
Hi, guys. I'm glad to see you again. Me too.
Me too.
Hello, everyone. Sorry for the delay.
Always you arrive late.
Guess what? I brought a game for play with us. It's a Uno.
Oh,
Excellent.
It's incredible. For excitement, we are going to play, but Sophia don't see. I told you that's right, and don't shout because we're not in Oxford, okay? I promise not shout out.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Here, teacher is ready to close many cards.
Are you sure? Now I know how to play, and I'm going to win, you know?
are you good, teacher?
Yeah, certainly.
Very good. What color? What color? What color?
Hello, man. I win.
Do you remember Adrian ate all my potato sausages?
Yeah. Remember?
Okay, does anyone know about this? Who? About Alan, and Laura?
Well, I have spoken to Laura. She told me that she's fine. She's finishing the university, but I don't know anything about Adrian and Alan. But let's start to meet, and then we go.